Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the top car, carpet and upholstery cleaners. The carpets and fabrics in a vehicle are often overlooked but see a lot of action, eventually leading to unsightly spots and odours, which can harm the overall presentation of the vehicle as a whole. We ranked these car, carpet and upholstery cleaners on a number of different factors, including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the number one spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The carpet and upholstery cleaner coming in at number 5 is the Mother's 05424 cleaner. This cleaner pulls out stubborn stains as it is formulated to free contaminants trapped in the pile and suspends them for easy removal. It is environmentally safe and pH balanced with a trigger spray bottle to make it easy to use. The Mother's 05424 carpet and upholstery cleaner is good for treating a spot or a larger area using a towel to rub clean the area or a brush for stubborn dirt and stains. Number 4 on our list is the Relentless Drive Car Upholstery Cleaner Kit. This car carpet cleaner is a quick and easy way to keep your car spotless with a professional quality clean that is dye and perfume free with a non-foaming formula. It refreshes and renews carpet interiors as it restores the fabric colour, eliminates odours and removes stubborn stains by gently lifting dirt stuck to the carpet. The Relentless Drive Car Fabric Cleaner Spray includes an auto brush scrubber perfect for getting the fabric to look as good as new. The car carpet and upholstery cleaner coming in at number 3 is the Armour All Carpet and Fabric Cleaner. This Oxy Magic formula cleaner brings fabric back to life and restores its plush look as it uses oxygen action to power and remove the toughest stains and ground in dirt by dissolving on contact as if by magic. The Armour All Carpet and Fabric Cleaner removes stubborn automotive stains like mud, coffee, cola or motor oil easily and quickly. Number 2 is the Chemical Guys CWS203 16 Citrus Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This cleans cloth, carpet, upholstery and removes stains by biotechnology to break down set-in stains. It's a great choice for professionals, car enthusiasts or parents whose kids have made a mess. It deep cleans by using a high suds foaming action that lifts dirt and stains, plus it removes foul odours whilst helping to prevent new ones from occurring. The Chemical Guys CWS203 16 Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is safe to use on all colours of car fabrics and it restores a like new look and feel. Finally, coming in at number 1, the carpet and upholstery cleaner that we recommend is the Car Guys Detailing Super Cleaner. This product uses unique cleaning technology that penetrates to the surface to loosen and remove any embedded dirt, oil or grime. It is a multi-surface cleaner that cleans grease, mud, spilt drinks from carpet, cloth, vinyl, plastic and much more, saving you time and money. The Chemical Guys Detailing Cleaner has a safe, no-rinse formula using nanotechnology, lifting away dirt at a molecular level. So that's it, the top car, carpet and upholstery cleaners which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful car detailing tips, do drop it in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.